The OPPO Watch X2 Mini is a newly introduced compact smartwatch that features a 1.32-inch AMOLED display. It boasts a resolution of 466 pixels and a brightness level of 1000 nits, all safeguarded by 2.5D glass. This makes it perfect for ensuring both excellent movement and great visibility when used outdoors. It is equipped with a Snapdragon processor, specifically the W5 Gen 1, and includes an additional processor known as BEST 2800BP. This smartwatch comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, along with an extra 4GB of eMMC storage. Keep in mind that OPPO employs a strategy involving two different operating systems, and as a result, we find two processors and two storage units designed to optimize battery performance. Due to this fascinating strategy, the battery has the capability to last for 2.5 days when in smart mode, or an impressive 7 days when in saving mode. Additionally, it features fast charging, allowing the battery to gain a full day's worth of power in just 10 minutes of charging, and the entire charge is completed in only 1 hour. It features 8-channel sensors dedicated to heart rate monitoring and 16 sensors for measuring blood oxygen saturation. In addition, it offers stress monitoring and sleep tracking, which includes the Aurora stage, snoring detection, and women's health tracking for menstrual cycles. It is also compatible with other CGM devices to measure glucose levels in real time, though it cannot perform this function on its own. The device supports 100 sport modes with auto start capabilities for 6 specific activities, along with advanced metrics for the who enjoy running or swimming, as it utilizes the advanced artificial intelligence of DeepSeek R1 to provide you with insightful feedback on your workouts. Additionally, it features a Guardian function for when you're traveling, offering real-time location tracking and emergency alerts. It supports eSIM technology, allowing you to make calls or even use WeChat in China without needing your cell phone. Moreover, it includes NFC for making payments and using digital keys, compatible with certain car models from BYD, Li Auto, and Leapmotor. It also has connectivity for 5 satellite systems to pick up your location very accurately. It has 5 ATM and also IP68, so it is completely water resistant and brings some other ecosystem functions in conjunction with cell phones, such as camera control or end the music when it detects that you already fell asleep. It comes in black and silver colors for 1,799 yuan, or in gold color with steel for 2,099 yuan. About $250 or $290, and also brings an extra gift strap, although remember, the prices here differ from those there.